Come on, okay? Got it.
I think. Woo! It scared me. So pretty.
I hope they can see me.
Woohoo! Lots of crackers.
This is good.
I really hope the people could see mine. Can they?
I don't know. I think it's too high. Maybe that's good. I don't know. We're just gonna wait because I'm pretty sure they're putting on more. I'll check yours as well. Oh, move it over that way a bit more. That should be good.
Can I see?
No, a bit over that one more.
Can I see now?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Sorry guys, I missed it.
Guys, can I still see?
You have to move over more. No, you have to like move the camera like that. There. I think, yeah, that should be good. Oh, here we go. Come up.
Hope this is good filming, guys.
It is. I'm checking.
I'm just holding my arm up because it's really hard to hold the camera. Oh, they're starting again! Guys, look.
That was the second one. Oh. I mean, these ones, they go like a big.
Yeah, I think these
I'm
ones.
glad you followed these people.
Yeah.
We're not trying to like.
Stalk them.
We want to see fireworks. Like Chloe was right. Chloe, they can't see me.
Oh. Can I still see?
No, you can. That should be good.
Sorry, Lauren has to keep checking my camera.
Because she wants to get this.
Yeah, I want to
If not,
catch this on
then
tape.
she'll get mine, which will still be good.
Or you know what I could do? Just put my tab on your screen. So if they can't see, if it's like really hard to do, I could do that.
Wait. Let me see.
That one was dumb.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
They're shooting over.
These are really stupid ones.
I know, I
Oh,
hate
that was
them. That one's kind of cool.
Well above these.
I know.
Some of the sleep. Oh,
Is
that
it still good?
I'm getting eaten alive.
Me too. Okay, it's good?
I don't know. I'm checking. Oh, I think I'm gonna say that. Chloe, don't do that.
Can I see?
I don't know. Yep.
Okay. They're really beautiful.
Oh, that was pretty.
Yeah, they're so beautiful. I just love watching fireworks,
I
just
like the
sitting
long
back.
ones, though.
Yeah,
Maybe I'll sit down.
me too.
I would be careful. Make sure they can see though.
Yeah, can I see?
Maybe a bit over that way. That should be good. See?
Sorry
The
about that.
weird noise.
Sorry it's so dark.
Well, it's pretty in the dark. Like, look how pretty that looks. Like palm trees and cars.
Like
that's the
it's
closest.
like we're in Hawaii.
A little.
I'm getting eaten alive. Guys, I'm getting
better
eaten.
when I stand up.
Yeah, I think it's better. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna start the
Wait,
fireworks.
put it down a bit.
Wait, we should see how many. Oh, okay, good. It's not in my
Oh,
So-
wait.
Whoa, guys!
They can see it.
Whoa. You guys
Don't
hear
move your
that
tablet
and
at all.
hear it? Okay.
That one. Oh my god. The bird. Oh my god, I killed a bird. I heard it like. Ah! Did you hear that? Yeah, they can see something. Don't move your tablet.
I'm getting
Guys, I
eaten
killed a
alive.
bird. No,
I killed a bird, guys. That's so sad. It might have got caught on tape.
Probably not.
Woo! This was bad like fireworks.
That was high.
Whoa, that was loud. Whoa, look at that one.
I'm sitting back there.
Me too. Is it good? Well, it looks like there's a fire going on there.
Yeah, that's how it's gonna be. It's gonna get higher. Put your tablet. Wait, that's good. No. There, that should be good. That was sucky,
Guys. Yeah, that was pretty sucky. It's
Guys,
like for
I'm
like.
eating alive.
Me too. Oh my
But
gosh.
I'm all doing it just for you guys,
Same.
and so I can see the fireworks.
Yeah.
Hopefully it should be good. Yeah. Oh.
Guys, we're starting more. Woo!
Yep, you can see.
Guys, look how pretty it was. Whoa. This is good. Guys, I just love fireworks. Just sitting
They're
back
so
and relaxing.
beautiful.
I know. Some are really sucky, but most of them are really good. I love those ones. The one that just went on. Can I see?
Yeah.
I'm sorry you keep laughing.
Yep, they can see.
Okay, good. It's like so beautiful.
So I have
Just
to like, blow all the bugs off. Oh, I think that one's going on first. It's kind
Hi.
of close.
Cameras are amazing. Because you go film and we can see you guys. You guys are awesome.
We had to delete a video because her mom came. We don't want to
Yeah.
talk about it.
Yeah.
It's none of your business.
Okay, they can see.
Hey, please put it on.
Come on, hurry. We don't need to wait.
I think I'm gonna pause it. No, not.
Don't pause it. I hope they can see. Oh my gosh, I'm getting eaten
Guys,
alive.
I have to move around. Sorry about
Oh, I'm so itchy. I hate it.
that. I'm sure the girl can yell good morning.
Ah! Oh, I just killed a bug with my fingernail.
Like, Chloe, it's okay.
Ooh.
This is the
Can I
last
see?
time.
Can I see?
No. You're freaking out too much there.
Okay.
I
Ah!
think I got one on my head.
Me too. Ah!
Oh, I did. Oh, guys.
Oh,
Come on.
Jesus.
I'm doing it
help
all
me.
for you guys.
And for us to see.
Well, mostly for you. Come on.
One more, I think they're doing, guys.
Here's one more. So that made out now. You can see it. It's like pitch black. And we're just standing with it.
Standing like idiots watching. It's so smoky. One more, people. They're in front of my camera. I have no idea.
I think they're leaving.
Yeah, I think they're
Okay,
leaving.
guys, that's it.
But this
Comment,
is
like,
it. Comment, like, and subscribe, guys.
Comment, subscribe. Bye. So bye. Bye. Beautiful fireworks.
Bye. These are beautiful fireworks. Thank you, people. Yeah, they're leaving. Bye.